Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak gravy with mushroom. First, pat your steak completely dry and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until a beautiful, deep brown crust develops. Remove the steak and set it aside to rest. Now, let's build those delicious flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the same skillet, allowing it to melt and coat the pan. Toss in 8 ounces of your favorite sliced mushrooms, like cremini or button, and sauté them until they are beautifully golden brown and tender. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. This aromatic base is crucial for a rich gravy. It's time to deglaze and create our gravy base. Pour in 1/2 cup of rich beef broth or a dry red wine, like Cabernet Sauvignon, into the hot skillet. Use a wooden spoon to scrape up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pan. This is where the magic happens. Then, whisk in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a quick roux that will thicken our gravy beautifully. To finish our incredible mushroom gravy, gradually whisk in 1 more cup of beef broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, season your gravy with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or thyme to taste. Serve immediately over your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.